teach everyone to make a very stable secondary light. Display, object, approach, trigger. First prepare an LM3 to 4N. Join these silver corners together and draw a line. 11 and 13 corners. Get a 2 OK resistor first. 8 and 10 triangulated to a 10K resistor. Connect another 1 OK resistor between the 6 and 9 corners. 1 OK resistors are still connected between 2 and 6 corners. 2 and 4 angle in direct to 7K resistors. Then 11 angle and lead angle in direct to 0 OK resistance. C945 triode. See immediate lead out angle. A 2 OK resistor is connected between the chip 11 angle and the B stage. 11 angles and a 100 ohm resistor. Infrared white tube. Positive electrode to 100 ohm resistance. Negative electrode connection. Black tube cathode connected to triode B grade. The positive electrode of the negative electrode connected to the white tube. Then find 4 lead. Connect the negative electrodes together. The first lamp bead is connected to the 14 corners of the chip. Negative connection 11 angle. Use a wire here. It goes from the 4 corners to the transistor 1. The positive electrode of the second lamp is connected to the chip octagonal. The third positive electrode is connected to 7 angles. The fourth positive electrode can be connected to a corner. Connect a 3.7 volt lithium battery. The positive electrode of the battery is connected to the transistor first stage. Negative electrode connected to lamp bead. Negative electrode. The circuit is ready. Test. The circuitry is very reliable. The lamp beads will be lit in sequence as the object approaches, or silky smooth. It's also very sensitive. See you next time.